Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix error launching the game failed, unable to locate game files in Minecraft. So if you're getting this error in Minecraft game, then here follow the fixes. First of all, open the Xbox app and then here search for Minecraft for Windows and then click on this Minecraft for Windows and then click on this three dots and then click on manage, then go to the files tab and then click on browse. It will open the game installation folder. Now open this random alphanumeric folder. Some of the players are having Minecraft for Windows folder. So if you have Minecraft for Windows folder, then open the Minecraft for Windows folder, and if you have alphanumeric random folder, then open this random alphanumeric folder, then open content folder. Now look for minecraft.windows exe file, double click it to launch the game. This will fix the issue. So you have to basically launch the game from the game installation folder. As you can see, Minecraft is launched perfectly and we are not getting any error. So by this way you can easily fix Minecraft error launching the game failed, unable to locate the game files. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.